crash course on United Kingdom, UK, local cuisine and food culture. Welcome to a crash course on the United Kingdom's, UK, diverse and delicious cuisine. From traditional dishes to vibrant food markets, the UK offers a culinary journey that will excite your taste buds and satisfy your appetite for unique flavors. Let's explore some interesting stories and examples that will ignite your excitement for the UK's food culture. 1. Fish and chips. A quintessential British dish, fish and chips has been enjoyed by locals and visitors for generations. Imagine crispy battered fish, fluffy chips, and a sprinkle of salt and vinegar. It's a comforting treat that brings people together. 2. Afternoon tea. Indulge in the elegance of afternoon tea, a cherished tradition in the UK. Sip on fragrant tea while enjoying delicate finger sandwiches, scones with clotted cream and jam, and an assortment of sweet pastries. It's a delightful experience steeped in British culture. 3. Borough Market. Located in London, Borough Market is a food lover's paradise. Explore the vibrant stalls offering fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, gourmet meats, and delectable street food. It's a feast for the senses and a melting pot of culinary delights. Now, let's delve into the top 12 attractions that showcase the UK's local cuisine and food culture. 1. Borough Market, London. 2. St George's Market, Belfast. 3. York Food Festival, York. 4. Scotch Whisky Experience, Edinburgh. 5. Smithfield Market, London. 6. Manchester Food and Drink Festival, Manchester. 7. Melton Mowbray Food Festival, Leicestershire. 8. Whitstable Oyster Festival, Whitstable. 9. Ludlow Food Festival, Ludlow. 10. Abergavenny Food Festival, Abergavenny. 11. Alnwick Food Festival, Alnwick. 12. Glastonbury Festival, Glastonbury. These attractions celebrate the UK's culinary scene, from bustling food markets to lively festivals. Each destination offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the local food culture and discover the flavours that make the UK's cuisine so special. In summary, the United Kingdom's local cuisine and food culture are a reflection of its rich history and diverse influences. From traditional dishes like fish and chips to the elegant tradition of afternoon tea, the UK offers a culinary journey that combines flavours, traditions, and community. Embark on a gastronomic adventure and savour the unique tastes of the UK. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?@=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our anhubmetaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the United Kingdom's culinary delights with a poem. In the United Kingdom, a culinary delight. A tapestry of flavors, a gastronomic flight. Fish and chips, a timeless treat. Crispy, golden, and oh so sweet. Afternoon tea, an elegant affair. Scones and sandwiches, a taste so rare. Borough Market, a vibrant stage. A feast of aromas, a food lover's wage. From St George's Market to York Food Fest. Gather and indulge in the UK's best. Scotch whisky's warmth, a taste sublime. Smithfield Market's bustling rhyme. Manchester Food and Drink Festival's cheer. Melton Mowbray's pies, a culinary frontier. Oyster Festival in Whitstable's embrace. Ludlow's flavours, a culinary chase. Abergavenny's delights, a feast to behold. Alnwick's flavours, a story untold. Glastonbury Festival, a fusion of sound and taste. A celebration of food, in vibrant haste. The United Kingdom, a culinary affair. Where flavours unite, and memories we share. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?ad=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.